Hop into the 2021 Ram 2500. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated front seat, power passenger seat. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.